Actually, let me just go ahead and take them out of the package here. Underneath, you get a USB-C cable and a little set of instructions on how these things work. One side's in Chinese and one is in English, and just kind of like looking over there. We don't need those. I have charged this case. So what you're going to do is kind of like an AirPod. You charge the case, and then it's an actual case that charges it. But what I like about this, check it out. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you see right here, I'm at 100%. And here, and as soon as you pull these out, they connect. So I've already connected these to my phone, so they are Bluetooth compatible. So it's still charging that side. You can see right there how it's still charging, but check it out. You take that out. There's the left, and this is the right. I don't think there's an R and L anywhere on them, but the best way to remember it, if the bottom piece is facing, the charger is facing down. So the way these go on your ear, they kind of clip around. And why is this important? Well, I got these for bike riding, because while I'm out riding my bike, I don't like my ears being closed up while I'm out on my bike. I want to be able to hear a car coming, someone talking, or a dog or something coming up behind me. I need to hear these things, so I like having that open ear design, and that's exactly what these are. Now, is it going to be as loud as one that goes in the ear and is completely noise canceling? No, but that's not what you want when you're working out or you're out on your bike or something. You want to be able to hear things going on around you, so that way, or if you're in a working environment where you're just kind of having music play and you're like needing to hear things. And I could tell y'all, it's hard to describe what they sound like. Actually, let me turn on some music. I just started some music there. Oh, one thing I found, you got to be very careful, because the pause is right there. This has been one of my favorite purchases for my bike riding adventures, because like I said, I want to be able to hear what's going on around me, and it's more like a speaker playing music away from the ear. If that makes any sense. That's the best way I could describe these things. And they come in this weird little seashell case right here, and you can see what they look like there. Let me show them in the ear. When they're in the ear, what they look like, they have it kind of clips on and goes around the ear. This actually locks in way better than what you think it does. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the open ear headphones. See y'all in the next video.